Hello everyone, I am Nivedita Jena from Ambika Prasad Research Foundation. Welcome to all of you to our channel Biodiversity and Conservation. So today our topic is the fourth part of wild edible fruits of Odisha. So let's discuss about this. In the list of wild edible fruits, the first species is the Ficus hispida. Ficus hispida is also known as the opposite leaf fig. It's a small but well-distributed species of tropical fig tree. It is morphologically gynodioecious but functionally dioecious, and the male trees are hermaphrodites with both staminate flowers that produce pollen and pistillate flowers and that produce almost no seeds but can form galls containing pollinator wasp larvae. And the female trees have pistillate flowers that do produce seeds but are inhospitable to pollinator wasp larvae. And the species occurs in many parts of Asia and as far southeast as Australia. There is a large variety of local common names, and the medicinal use of this plant is it has own healing activity. The next one is Ficus racemosa, which is an important medicinal plant found in India, Australia, and Southeast Asia, and belongs to Moraceae family. It is popularly known as Gular, and it reduces blood glucose concentration due to the presence of beta-sitosterol and many active constituents that have been isolated from various parts of this plant, which is useful pharmacological activities. So medicinally, it is used as anti-diabetic. Ficus semicordata. Uh, it is commonly known as the dropping fig. It's a small to medium-sized fodder tree of genus Ficus. Belongs to the family Moraceae. It bears edible fruit, and the figs on the lower part of the leafless branches may develop in leaf litter and humus and be buried in the surface of the soil where the seeds germinate. Otherwise, birds and other animals distribute the seeds, and the Ficus semicortata is dioecious with male and female flowers produced on separate individuals, and medicinally it is used for the treatment of ulcers. Flacosia indica, commonly known as Indian plum, is a species of flowering plant native to much of Africa and tropical and temperate parts of Asia. Belongs to Salicaceae family. It has various uses, including folk medicine, fuel, animal food, and human food. This is a bushy shrub or tree with a spiny trunk and branches. In shrub form, it grows up to about 25 feet, and as a tree, it reaches a maximum height around 50 feet, which is equal to 15 meters. The drooping branches bear oval leaves. The seeds are dispersed by birds, and this tree has thorns similar to that of a lime or lemon tree. Uh, and medicinally, the leaves and barks are used to treat fever. The next one is Flacosia jangumas, also known as the Indian coffee plum or Indian plum or cranberry, is a lowland and mountain rainforest tree in the family Salicaceae. It was once placed in the Flacotiaceae family. It is widely cultivated in Southeast and East Asia and has escaped cultivation in a number of places. Its wild origin is unknown, but is speculated to be tropical Asia, most perhaps India. This tree is very common in southern India and is of culinary and medical importance, especially in Kerala. It is a small deciduous shrub, a tree, that grows to a height of 6 to 10 meter, and the trunk and branches are commonly thornless in old trees, but densely beset with simple or branched, blunt woody thorns when younger. And the bark is light brown to copper red with a flaky texture, and the leaves are light green and narrow ovate in shape. The flowers and it produces small white flowers, small white to whitish green fragrant flowers, and the relatively juicy fruits are rounded pink to dark red and about 0.6 to 1 inch wide. And medicinally, the bark is used as antifungal. Then the next one is Gardenia gumifera, which is also known as gummy gardenia. It's a small tree species, belongs to Rubiaceae family, uh, grows up to 3 meters, and the leaves are opposite or in halls of 3 or 4, about 5 to 50 centimeter long and 3 to 25 centimeter broad, dark green and glossy with a leathery texture. And the flowers are solitary or in small clusters, uh, white, white or pale yellow with a tubular-based flower with 5 to 12 petals, from 5 to 12 centimeter in diameter, and the fruit is a berry, ellipsoid or oblong, and the seeds are wrinkled. And it is native to peninsular India. This species is used for the treatment of dental problems. Gardenia latifolia, also called papra, and it is a medium-sized to large, long-lived tree of family Rubiaceae. Um, its English common name is Indian boxwood or Ceylon boxwood. It is found in the forest of Madhya Pradesh in India and has been widely cultivated elsewhere to the point of naturalization, especially in Nigeria, West Africa, where the tree is highly valued for both its fruit and seed. Medicinally, the fruit extract is used to treat snake bite. It is a small deciduous tree which often grows on other small plants, which it eventually kills the way figs do. And the bark is greenish gray, peeling and leaving smooth, concave rounded depressions, and the oppositely arranged leaves have very short stalks and are oval to ovate. And the flowers have silver form, meaning starting from a narrow tube and suddenly flaring into a flat arrangement of petals. And these are white or pale lemon yellow, orange when fading. And the flower tube is about 2 inches long. And the berry is even nearly spherical, crowned, and with the whole limbs of the sepal. Then the Glycosmis pentaphylla is a tree species of flowering plant in the family Rutaceae, commonly known as orangeberry and kingberry, and it occurs in Southeast Asia and northern Australia. It is cultivated for its edible pink fruits. In temperate zones, it can be cultivated indoors as a houseplant. So medicinally, the leaves and fruits are used to treat rheumatism. The next one is Grevia helicterifolia, uh, which is a deciduous shrub, belongs to Tiliaceae family, growing around 100 to 200 centimeter tall. The plant is harvested from the wild for local use as a food, medicine, and source of fiber. And the fleshy fruit is a shiny reddish brown, subglobous tube about 8 to 10 millimeter in diameter, and medicinally it is used in the treatment of stomachache. Brevia tilifolia is a tree species of flowering plant in the family Malvaceae. Um, this tree is reaching up to 8 meter and found widely in Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Nepal, and Southeast Asia. Medicinally, the bark and roots are used for fractures treatment. So, for the fourth part of wild edible fruits of Odisha, it is all about this. The next part is coming soon. Thank you.